Subscribe to Avas today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.
Following several complaints of overcharging and inflated bills and denial of treatment by private hospitals and those run by charitable trusts, Navi Mumbai Municipal Commissioner Abhijit Bangar has issued special directives to them. The order envisages proper treatment at the right price to the COVID patients. The order to the management of hospitals by NMMC asks the hospitals to strictly follow the instructions and guidelines given in the Maharashtra government order of May 21. Giving details of the order, Bangar said, every COVID hospital in NMMC jurisdiction will have to be registered under Mahatma Jyotibai Phule Jan Arogya Yojana. All hospitals have to immediately start rapid antigen tests. If required, NMMC will supply the kits for the same. The hospitals will not be charged for it. 80% beds in all hospitals will be controlled by NMMC. The charges for the beds will be as per the specified government order. The availability of beds should be prominently displayed by the hospitals at lobby of their main entrance. The real-time bed occupancy data of the hospitals will have to be updated on NMMC dashboard. There should not be any difference in the vacant bed numbers of NMMC dashboard and in the actual hospital. The order states that the charges to be levied as per government order should be displayed prominently at the hospital and the patient or the family member should be given details of it. No deposit should be asked from any patient at the time of admission. The Commissioner has warned that no patient should be denied admission on the basis of his capacity to pay. No patient coming directly to the hospital should be denied admission. If the patient's oxygen saturation is less than 95%, he should not be denied admission even if there is no bed. Till the time a bed is made available elsewhere, the patient should be stabilized at the triage department and later shipped in an oxygen-equipped ambulance to another hospital. The charges for any medical implant, guider, wire, catheter, PPE kits, etc. should not be priced more than what has been specified by a recognized body like HAFKIN. Under no circumstances should it be priced over 10% of the purchase cost. On all other equipments, it should not be over 5%. If any equipment has been used for more than one patient, then the cost should be divided. For example, PPE kits should not be charged on one patient and should be divided amongst all the patients in the ward. The order asks the hospitals to normally use generic medicines and accordingly charge less for them. The hospital bills should be very clear and give full details of the equipment and medicine used and the treatment given with unit price details. Patients being discharged should be given ambulance facility to go home. Under MJPJAY scheme, every eligible patient should be given its benefit. The hospitals can take the help of the insurance agency to effectively implement the scheme. The hospitals cannot shed responsibility through leave against medical advice or discharge against medical advice. If the patient is shifting to another hospital, the hospital will have to give a proper discharge and a referral note and confirm the transfer while also providing an oxygen-equipped ambulance for it. In case of an unfortunate death of a patient, the hospital cannot stop the handover of the body to the family for the reason of non-payment of hospital bills. The patient should be given permission to use smartphones or tablets so that they can be in touch with their family through video conferencing. The details of the sanitizing of such equipments will be informed to the hospitals. Abhijit Bangar has asked all the nodal officers to ensure that these orders are strictly implemented and no patient is fleeced or denied treatment. For Avas Today, Shahnawaz Jedi, Navi Mumbai.
Subscribe to Avas today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.